Nocturnal animals at Ueno Zoo. Welcome to the darkness. Yokoso. Hello, you're looking for me? In the darkness? In the Yokoso Sekai no. How do you say it again? So we have to stay on the right side and then go around and then you exit on the next side. Japanese people are very orderly people. They do things in a specific manner. They have an order to doing things. Ooh, what's this? Falascat. In here is very dark. Anyways. Can't see anything because it's very dark. So the cat is like right there. That's mostly katakana. I cannot read katakana.
Which one?
All of them, they're all in katakana.
Everything.
Yeah.
Chosen shimaris. This
Squirrel.
yeah, squirrel. Fukuro shimaris. Fukuro okami. Do you know okami?
Yeah, wolf.
So wolf. Yes. This is rat.
Yeah. The hedgehog.
Yeah.
Hedgehog.
Yuki harinezumi. Yes.
Let's go. Iko. Okay. Let's go around here. Chichibuta.
Japanese called chichibuta. Grand pig.
一番加藤が取った方がいいね。
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, first is a very very unique.
And that's it for the nocturnal animals here at Ueno Zoo. You can barely see anything in this darkness unless you're physically here. So if you ever do come to Japan, you can come to Ueno Park or Ueno Zoo. It's actually the largest zoo in Tokyo. So this is the end, and we're gonna go enjoy the rest of the zoo.